I park way down there so because I think say them did gonna make me go upstairs where I can see my vehicle, but then I make me go upstairs at all, and that's one of the reasons why I park it where it is because I wanted to see it. Because we never park it in the parking lot. A man I tell me say he want to wash it for me, but I don't have no cash for me, so I can't pay him to wash it. Yeah, nice view, girl. Nice view. You can imagine. I'm going to we have church on Sunday evening because some Sunday evening, my dad just come down here, so come just sit down on the side. So them people out there so sit down on the side and just go and take the cool breeze. Go and take the cool breeze. Yeah, man. Place nice. Jamaica nice, you know. We just want money. See, ship there, we out there, so one, two ship. Ship over there, so. Ship out there, so. Only for ship. So next one there, out there, so. Only for ship in the harbor, yeah. Mm. I love them some here. I love how, I love when them play schools. I love greenery. And on the other side, down there, so, you have benches where you can sit down. Benches where you and your partner can sit down and breeze out. And the harbor kind of makes safe now. We don't have to worry. But nobody are doing nothing also. Everywhere you turn the music in something. The music, because the music are playing in the background. You have seating area all over down the side here. All over. You have seating area where you can sit down when the evening cool. I have ice cream shop downstairs. You have another food place downstairs. Ribbies. You have pizza. I think one pizza shop down there. Devon House ice cream and all of that. The Victoria Pier. So a lot of things. Over across the road is where we have the tax office or something. Yeah, man. And I think we have a big hotel. The Rock. A Rock in here? Yeah, the Rock Hotel. They walk the side. But we can. Yeah.